back to my channel. So today we're getting ready for a pop-up and I thought I'd bring you along. You can see the shelves are completely empty. We've already packed everything up into the boxes and they're downstairs in the garage. Peter is packing up the car. I'm dressed and ready to go. So let's go downstairs and see if he needs any help. All right, so the car's loaded up with boxes and everything we need. Just fixing that there so I can actually see when we're driving. And we're ready to go. We're here, we just finished setting up and I totally forgot to record as I was setting everything up, but this is how I typically set up my table. I have these risers and these are from Vertical Ledge. I'll link that below, you guys can check it out. I got these little wooden blocks from a shop on Etsy. I'll find out the name and I'll put it at the bottom here as well. But yeah, everyone else is getting ready and they're setting up.
Wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up, when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight, I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty.
Hey guys, so last night's event was so much fun, but super exhausting. It ended around 10 o'clock, but by the time we packed up the table and people actually left, I think it was around 11 o'clock. So I'm super tired today. I have all the boxes up here that I need to get back on my shelves. These are actually custom wedding candles that people need to come pick up today. Well, one person is picking up their order today. The other one, they're picking it up later in October. So we're just gonna spend today putting these back on the shelves, recounting our inventory, see what we have left. And also I have to take a wholesale order to UPS. So I'm gonna go drop that off before I get to this. And then we'll see what else we have to do today. And we're also adding a new stockies to the list. I'm really excited for this collab with this shop. It's in Babylon. The name of the shop is Hitch, Long Island. They are a handcrafted market shop. So everything they have in their shop is handmade by small makers like me. I'm actually gonna be dropping off our limited edition fall candles in these nice little amber tumblers. So I have Falling Leaves, Maple Harvest, and Fall into Chai. Gonna be dropping off 12 of those, and then maybe also some of my room sprays. I just have to figure out how much, and I think maybe some lip balms. I'll figure it out and I'll show you guys. Also, I think one of my #1 questions that you guys tend to ask me is how do I get into these stores and how do I get my wholesale clients? I just email, I reach out to them. I'm new to the community here in Long Island, New York. So as soon as I got here, I started following some Long Island based pages just by searching for hashtags on Instagram and then finding boutiques that love to carry handmade small business products. And then just send them an email, reach out to them and say, hey, I'm a so-and-so kind of maker. I'd love to get my products into your shop. What's the worst they're gonna say? No, and then that's it. You move on to the next person, you know? And if you want to, you can circle back with them within like a couple of months and just ask again and try. You never know. Maybe I should film a Q&A video where you guys just submit your questions. That actually might be fun. Let me know down below in the comments if that's something that you want to do. But first, you have to make sure that you're following me on Instagram. I'll let you guys know when I'm ready to film that, but let me know below if that's something that you're interested in. Okay, so we're back from UPS. I got my iced tea, and now it's time to get to work and unpack all the stuff and put it back on the shelves, and then maybe make some candles. So let's go.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight.
Okay, so we have everything back on the shelves. I don't think I need to make too many more candles to restock. You can't tell by looking at this, but we did actually do pretty good during the pop-up. So I'm not gonna restock anything. I just might make a couple. I think I'm missing a few other fragrances here, but some of them they were on sale, so we were kind of discontinuing them anyway. So I'm gonna take a better inventory and see what we're exactly missing. Some I'm thinking about putting like little labels on the actual shelves so I know where each fragrance goes, just so I can tell just by looking at it which fragrances I'm actually missing, because I offer so many scents. Sometimes I forget which scent I don't have on the shelf, so it would be good if I had like little names for each one there. These are my fall fragrances here. So we have Falling Leaves, Maple Harvest, and Fall into Chai. Falling Leaves is my bestseller, so I kind of bring that back every fall, and then I'll add like 2 or 3 new fragrances. So Maple Harvest has been doing really good too, and Chai, people have been loving that one.
Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down.